Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are tired of trailers and previews playing automatically while browsing on Prime Video, turning off autoplay previewers will give you a quieter distraction-free experience. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off autoplay previews on Prime Video in 2026 quickly and easily. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Videos or video settings. Okay, so tap or click on your profile or account icon here. Okay, so you are now in your accounts area. Access playback settings, like go to accounts and settings. Okay, select player or playback. Okay, so this is where autoplay options are controlled. Okay, so find autoplay previews, like look for autoplay previews. Okay, so you have here many options. You have here autoplay, okay, and we have here auto video and live events. Okay, so it may appear alongside autoplay next episode. Make sure you are selecting previews, not episodes. Okay, so turn it off, like toggle autoplay previews off. Okay, so trailers will no longer play automatically while browsing. Save changes if needed. Some devices save automatically, other may require confirmation. So your settings is now updated across your profile after you change the settings that you want. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that happen, like turning off next episode instead of previews, not refreshing the app after changes, or confusing device settings with account setting, or for example expecting previews to stop instantly without reload. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.